cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make a creamy garlic chicken. Yes, trust me, it's gonna be super yummy. Your families, your friends, everybody are gonna enjoy it. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to someone that you also know will enjoy it, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Okay, stay tuned. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 4 chicken breasts. You can use any part of the chicken you like. You can also use chicken thigh, chicken leg, anything. Okay, I also have half onion that I cut, as you can see. Garlic, this is at least 5 cloves of garlic that I mince. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, at least 1.5 teaspoons of my complete seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my poultry seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of my smoked paprika. Okay, I'm also gonna add some Parmesan cheese. This is my heavy cream, and this is at least 4.5 cups. Some oil, some olive oil, that's at least 1 tablespoon. So guys, before I season my chicken breast, I want to just flatten it down a bit so it cook evenly, and it also gonna be, you know, more juicier this way. Just gonna put a fling over it and get one food hammer and just smash it. So guys, it is nice and flat. As you can see, it's already washed. I wash it in some lemon juice. So my seasoning, I'm just gonna blend it all in so it is nice and combined. I'm gonna add my oil, then I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some of my seasoning for my sauce, just this. Just gonna take my pan. You wanna just marinate all the seasoning all over on the chicken. I'm gonna add just a pinch of my salt. You don't need a lot. So it is nicely seasoning. Perfect. You can leave it to marinate for at least 10 minutes or so. So guys, to my pot, I add at least 3 tablespoons of my olive oil. So now my oil and my pot is all heated up. So I'm gonna add my chicken and I'm gonna fry it for at least 4 minutes on each side. Okay. I'm only gonna add 2 each. Now guys, I'm just gonna turn it on the other side. Nice and golden. So guys, they are nicely brown. So I'm just gonna put this to a plate. Now I'm gonna make my white creamy sauce. So this is the same pan that I use to fry my chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a bit of my butter. What you can do, just remove most of the oil from it. I add at least 1 tablespoon of my unsalted butter. Then I'm gonna add my onion. It don't have to be completely melted. And my garlic. Just gonna leave it for at least 30 seconds. Make sure that you continue to stir it. I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my flour. Just like so. Just gonna mix it in. Just after at least 15 seconds, I'm gonna add some of my chicken broth. I add at least ½ cup. Make sure that your stove is on a low heat. Try not to turn it up too high. Just gonna leave it for at least another 15 seconds. Just continue to stir it. So just after 15 seconds, I'm gonna add my heavy cream. I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning. You can always taste it to your liking. Now I'm gonna add my Parmesan cheese. Gonna grate it. You can add as much as you like, guys.
Coming at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a star.
Gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my Cajun seasoning.
Straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media.
And now guys, I'm gonna add my chicken. Just like so. It looks super delicious. This look amazing. Absolutely delicious, guys. All that juice from the plate, I'm just gonna pour it on my chicken, just like so. So guys, what you can do, you can cover it up just a little bit with the sauce, but you don't have to complete, cover it up, okay? Yeah, like so. I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 15 minutes, okay? My stove is gonna be on a medium heat. Just gonna cover it up. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, for the meantime, I'm gonna boil some potato because I'm gonna mash it. So I'm gonna add some water from my kettle. Mashed potato will go perfectly with it, guys. You can use as much potato as you like. Just gonna add just a bit of my salt. Just gonna half cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. My potato is nice and soft. See that? So guys, it is all finished. Ooh, it looks so good. Absolutely delicious. So yummy. And guys, if you want, you can also boil some pasta and add it to the white creamy sauce. And you can also cut the chicken up. That's just an idea. It will also go perfectly with it also, okay? Yes. Now I'm gonna mash my potato. So guys, I have an idea. The white sauce, I'm gonna add some of it to my mashed potato. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so delicious. This idea came to me and I was saying, wow, it sounds good. Just gonna mash it down. I'm gonna also add at least 2 tablespoons of my mayonnaise. So it is all mashed. So now guys, I'm gonna plate it all up and show you what it looks like on the plate, okay? So stay tuned. Now I'm gonna add my mash. Also gonna add some broccoli. Look at that. This is like food prawn. Absolutely delicious. So yummy. A sauce bowl. I'm just gonna add some of that nice creamy sauce. So this is so yummy. My mouth is watering. So good, guys. Just gonna add a little bit of the sauce on the chicken. So I'm just gonna add some of my dry parsley. Yeah, just a little bit. There you have it, guys. This is how I make my creamy garlic butter chicken with mashed potato and broccoli on the side. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. It's looking absolutely delicious. If I go to a restaurant, I would definitely order this recipe. If you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Bye guys, love you all. Yum.